What if I told you that right now, while you're watching this video, your internet activity might be exposed? Every website you visit, every search you make, every public Wi-Fi you connect to, your data isn't as private as you think. And in 2026, online privacy isn't optional anymore. It's survival. That's where VPNs come in. But here's the real question. Is PureVPN actually worth your money? Or is it just another overhyped VPN brand making big promises? In this video, I'm going to test PureVPN in real-world conditions, speed tests, streaming performance, gaming ping, torrent support, security features, no-log policy, and most importantly, can it really protect your privacy? We'll talk about its encryption standards, server network, special features like split tunneling and dedicated IP, and whether it can unblock platforms like Netflix and other geo-restricted content. And I won't just read features from their website, I'll show you everything practically. So before you spend your hard-earned money on PureVPN, watch this full review till the end, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether PureVPN is the right VPN for you or not. Let's get started.
So now let's start the complete review of PureVPN and see whether it's actually worth using or not. In today's time, online privacy has become very important. Every day we use the internet for many things like watching videos, using social media, online banking, and downloading files or connecting to public Wi-Fi networks. But problem is that many website advertisers and sometimes even internet service provider can track your online activity. This is where a VPN becomes useful. A VPN or a virtual private network helps protect your internet connections by encrypting your data and hiding your real IP addresses. This means your online activity becomes much more private and secure. And today we are going to talk about PureVPN, which is one of the well-known VPN service in the market. In this video, I will explain everything about PureVPN, including its features, security, speed streaming, capability, ease of use, and of course, its pricing. So by the end of this video, you will clearly understand whether PureVPN is the right VPN for you or not. What is PureVPN? First, let's understand what PureVPN actually is. PureVPN is a premium VPN service that has been around for many years. It is developed by a company called GZ Systems and the company is based on Hong Kong. PureVPN offers a secure internet security access by encrypting your connection and routing your internet traffic through its server located around the world. This means your real IP addresses get hidden and the website will see the VPN server location instead of your actual location. This helps in many situations such as protecting your data on public Wi-Fi, accessing geo-restricted content, improving online privacy, and even avoiding certain types of tracking. PureVPN also claims to follow a strict no policy, which means they say do not store your browsing activity. We will talk more about this in the security section, server, networks, and coverage. One of the most important factors of any VPN is the number of server and location it offers. PureVPN provides access to 6,500 plus servers across more than 70 countries. This is actually a very good server network because it gives users many options to connect from different parts of the world. For example, you can connect to server in the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany, Singapore, Australia, and many other countries. Having a large server network is important because it helps reduce server configurations and improve connection speed. If one server is slow, you can easily switch to another nearby server. This flexibility makes the VPN server much smoother. Security and encryption. Now let's talk about one of the most important part of any VPN security. PureVPN uses AES 256-bit encryption, which is considered one of the most strongest encryption standard available today. This level of encryption is used by many security organizations and even governments to protect sensitive data. So when you connect to PureVPN, your internet traffic becomes encrypted and much harder for any to monitor. PureVPN also supports multi-VPN protocols including OpenVPN, IPEV2, WireGuard, and SSTP. Among these, WireGuard and OpenVPN are considered very fast and secure protocol. Other useful features is the kill switch. The kill switch automatically disconnects your internet if the VPN connection suddenly drops. This prevents your real IP addresses from being exposed and accidentally. There is also a split tunneling feature which allow you to choose which app use the VPN and which apps connect normally to the internet. This can be very useful if you want some application protected by VPN while other use your normal connection. Privacy and no log policy. Privacy is another important concern for VPN users. PureVPN states that it follows a strict no-log policy, meaning it does not track or store your browsing activity. According to the company, they do not record information like website you visit, your browsing history, your connection logs, your IP activity. This helps maintain user privacy. In recent years, PureVPN has also undergone independent audits to verify its no-log claims, which adds more trust for users. However, as with any VPN service, it is always good for users to understand the privacy policies carefully before using the service. Streaming and geo-restricted content. One of the most common reasons people use VPNs is to access geo-restricted content. Many streaming platforms restricted content based on location, which PureVPN you can connect to server in the different countries and access content that may not normally be available in your region. For example, many users use VPN services to access content libraries from countries like the United States or the United Kingdom. PureVPN claims to support streaming platforms like Netflix and other popular services. The experience can depend on the server you choose, but overall it provides multiple streaming optimized servers. This makes it easier for users to access global content. Speed and performance. Speed is another important factor when choosing a VPN, because when you choose a VPN for your internet traffic, it routed through another server, which can sometimes reduce speed. However, PureVPN generally provides good speed thanks to its large server networks and modern protocol like WireGuard. If you connected a nearby server, that speed difference is usually very small and most users can browse, stream videos and even play online games without major issues. Of course, speed can vary depending on your internet connections, server distance and network condition. But overall, PureVPN offers stable performance for most everyday internet activity. Another great thing about PureVPN is that it supports many different devices and platforms. You can use PureVPN on the Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, Linux. It also supports smart TVs, router, and browser extension. This means you can protect multiple devices using a single VPN account. PureVPN allows multiple simultaneous connection, which means you can use the VPN on the several devices at the same time. For example, you can use it on your phone, laptop, table together. This makes it convenient for users who want to secure all their devices. Now let's talk about the most important part, pricing. PureVPN offers several subscription plans depending on how long you want to use their service. Usually there are three main options. The monthly plan is the most flexible option. You pay month to month and can cancel anytime. However, monthly plans are usually the most expensive compared to a long-term plan. Then there is the 1-year plan, which give you a lower monthly pricing compared to the monthly subscription. And finally, the 2-year plan is usually the best value option. Which long-term plans, the monthly cost becomes significantly cheaper. For example, instead of paying a high monthly price, the cost can drop to just a few dollars per month when you choose a long-term subscription. PureVPN also sometimes offer a special discount and promotional deals, which can make the price even more affordable. Another good thing is that the PureVPN usually offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. This means if you try the VPN and you are not satisfied, you can request a refund with the first 30 days. This gives user the opportunity to test the service without taking too much risk. Before finishing the review, let's quickly look at some pros and cons. Pros. PureVPN has a large server network across many countries. It offers strong encryption and modern VPN protocols. It supports multiple devices and platforms. It provides features like kill switch, split tunneling, and long-term plans are quite affordable. Cons. Speeds may vary depending on the server locations. Some advanced features may require additional configurations. And like any VPN service, performance can depend on your internet connections. So overall guys, Pure VPN is a solid VPN option for users who want better privacy, security and access to global content. It offers strong encryptions, a large server networks and support for many devices. It is also relatively easy to use, which can make it suitable for beginners and as well as experienced users. If you are looking for a VPN for everyday browsing, streaming and protecting your internet connection, Pure VPN can definitely be a good option to consider. But as always, the best VPN for you depends on your needs, your budget and how you plan to use service. That's why my complete review of Pure VPN. I hope this video helped you understand how the Pure VPN works and whether it might be the right choice for you. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the videos and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and useful online tools. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.